Hey, for those that don't know me, my name is Robbie Blanchard, and over the last 5 years, I've had some crazy stuff happen to me. So about 5 years ago, I was just a personal trainer. I had a CrossFit gym, and I was just struggling trying to get by, right? I was doing okay, but I really wanted to do something even bigger, and I wanted to make a bigger difference. I wanted to have more time and freedom because I just felt like I was just, a slave to my business, right? And that's when I got into affiliate marketing. That's when I found Clickbank. So if you don't know what Clickbank is, it's an online platform where you're able to, promote other people's products for a big commission. And what I mean by that is, you can promote someone's product and you can make anywhere from 75 up to 100% commission on that product. So when I discovered that, that changed my life. And honestly, over the past 4 years, I've gone on from being that struggling personal trainer with no marketing experience and really not knowing what I was doing to now becoming literally the #1 Clickbank affiliate in the world. So you can see right here that I won the Clickbank contest in January, and so what that meant was I generated more revenue, I made more money than anybody else in the world on Clickbank, which is pretty crazy to think about because just a few short years ago, I was just a struggling gym owner, but here I am now. And so I've been able to have massive success. I've been able to go and spend time with my friends and family. I've been able to go on vacation, dream vacations I never even thought I could go on while I was still making money online. It's just a crazy concept, which is so foreign to me just 5 years ago. And now I'm able to make a massive difference in my parents' lives and my family's lives. I was able to go on a great golf trip with my dad just a few years ago, which he had never gone on a plane since 1978. So that's the beauty of having an online business and making money and making commissions with Clickbank, running Facebook ads to those offers because it provides the freedom, and I've been able to do some amazing stuff that I never thought possible, and it's opened so many doors for me. So I'm super excited about that. It's been a game changer for me, and so that's why this year I want to turn things around and I want to give back to other people. I want other people to have the same experience and the same success that I've had, and that's why I put together this free training to show you exactly how to make big commissions with Clickbank offers on Facebook. It's actually very simple. You'll be shocked how simple it is. In fact, it only takes 3 steps to have that type of commission and make a lot of money on Clickbank. All right, guys, so make sure you register for my free training by clicking that link in the description, and we will hop on that training and I'll teach you my 3-step method for making big commissions with Clickbank offers on Facebook. So register for the training and I'll see you on the inside.